Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all in our first revision session. Today, we will familiarize ourselves with trigonometry, which is an important branch of mathematics. Let us now discuss some situations. Raju is flying a kite near his house. Can you guess how high is the kite from the ground? Two friends want to know the height of a mountain. Can they do that without climbing on the mountain? Standing on a bank of a river, Sonia is watching a crow sitting on the wire on the other side of river. Can you find the distance between Sonia and crow? In many such situations, we find ourselves unable to find the height and distances, but it's not that it cannot be found. This can be found with the help of a mathematical technique called trigonometry. Trigonometry is originated from three Greek words: tree, gon, matron. Tree means tree, gon means side, and matrons means measure. In fact, in trigonometry, we study the relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. Let us consider this right angle triangle, in which angle B is right angle and angle A and angle C are acute angles. Can you guess which side is hypotenuse in this triangle? Yes, very right. The opposite side of right angle is the hypotenuse. In the same way, can you tell me the opposite and adjacent sides of angle C? Yes, with respect to angle C, the perpendicular is the side opposite to angle C, and base is the side adjacent to angle C. So the side opposite to C is AB, side adjacent to C is BC, and hypotenuse is but of course AC. Now you are aware about hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. Now tell me how many ratios can be found between the three sides of the triangle. Tell me how many ratios can be found between the three sides of a triangle. Maximum कितने ratios possible हो सकते हैं by using the three sides: hypotenuse, opposite side and the adjacent side. Yes, these 6 ratios are possible maximum. So if we find all possible ratios of the three sides with respect to angle C, we get these trigonometric ratios, which are called sine of angle C, cosine of angle C, tangent of angle C, cosecant of angle C, secant of angle C, and cotangent of angle C. In an easy way, they can simply you can say them: sine C, cos C, tan C, cosec C, secant sec C and cot C. तो शॉर्ट में आप इनको ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. And in an easier way, you can remember these as SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA, which means we can write like this: sine is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, CAH, here C means cos, A means adjacent, H means hypotenuse. Similarly, sine में SOH means S is for sine. Alright. And TOA, here T means tangent, O means opposite, A means adjacent. So you can remember it like SOHCAHTOA. and the other 6 ratios are the reciprocal of these 3 ratios. Other 3 ratios are the reciprocal of these 3 ratios. They are cosec theta, secant theta and cot theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal or inverse of sin theta. Secant theta is reciprocal or inverse of cos theta, and cot theta is reciprocal or inverse of tan theta. Alright, so in this way you can understand. But when we will take angle A, the opposite side and adjacent side will be changed. If you find the same ratios with respect to angle A, you will find that the opposite and adjacent sides are changed, but hypotenuse will remain same. Now in exercise we will do practice of these ratios. Let me give you one example so that you will be clear how we have to do the practice. Here we have one angle in which 2 sides are given, so we will use Pythagoras theorem to find the third side, and then we will find all 6 ratios. This is your homework, you will do it yourself. So let me summarize. In today's video we have learned introduction of trigonometry, introduction of all t ratios, and how to learn the 3 ratios. Now you will apply this introduction in your exercise 1 for finding the basic t ratios. When you have given one ratio or 2 sides of a right triangle, then with the help of Pythagoras theorem you will find the third side, and after getting all 3 sides you can find any t ratio. You have 6 t ratios: sin theta, cos theta. Theta is any angle, that may be angle A, B, C or whatever. So you have 6 ratios: sin, cos, tan, cosec, secant, cot, and by the help of 3 sides you can find any t ratios. So in next video we will do practice of the same. That's all for the day. Thank you.